Hello children, how are you all? Hope all are good, safe at home. Yes. Today in this video we are going to see a new lesson. The lesson number 9, a day at the swamp. Okay, what is this a day at the swamp? Actually, what is swamp? Before going into it, let's go to starter as usual. So this is our lesson, a day at the swamp. Okay. So this is our starter. Where okay, swamp must be a moist wet land. Okay, so in the swamp, wet and low lying area of land, usually covered with water. So it is a land covered with water, that to moist wet land. Okay, if it is next to or on both the sides of a river or lake or something, the wet land will be there. No, that moist land, I think it is swamp. So now, before going into it, what happens in this lesson, or before that, what will be the starter? It is something which is saying about dinosaur and its family, isn't it? Yes. So now let's see. Say this word, dino plus saur, dinosaur. Dinosaur means terrible lizard. Dinosaur means terrible lizard. So dinosaur lived on the earth millions of years ago. Here are a few kinds of dinosaurs. Learn to say their names. So dinosaurs lived on earth millions of years ago, where the human beings also didn't survive. The habitat was not there, human being was not there. Okay, on those days the dinosaur lived, the 2 millions of years ago. So there, these are the terrible lizard. This is actually a lizard family, but it is huge. Just think, at home we have a small lizard which will be your size of finger. For that also we all are getting scared, isn't it? But here we have the large, huge dinosaurs. Okay, so now coming into it. So first is Brontosaurus. Brontosaurus. Second one is Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus. Here, saur means what? Lizard, I think. Dino, terrible. Saur means lizard. That must be terrible lizard. So the word lizard comes at the back. Saurus. So first is Brontosaurus. Second one is Brachiosaurus. Third one is Diplodocus. This is only a bit different. Diplodocus. And the fourth one is Tyrannosaurus. So these are the four different types of dinosaurs on land or on earth. We know that most dinosaurs ate plants because of their flat teeth and long necks, which they used to reach trees. But a few dinosaurs like the Tyrannosaurus ate other dinosaurs. So here the remaining three, that is Brontosaurus, Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus. All these three are dinosaurs which ate only plants, whereas the fourth one, Tyrannosaurus, this is the animal which ate other dinosaurs, they say. So the remaining three are plant eating. That is, the top of the tree, they get the tender leaves, so they eat that, they says. Because also they have the flat teeth and long necks. They used to eat only the leaves of the trees, like that. Whereas this Tyrannosaurus, its features are totally different. They have a long, sharp teeth. So it is made in such a way that they can tear the flesh and eat. So they used to eat flesh or other dinosaurs. Okay, that is what is asked even in the question. How do you think we know what a Tyrannosaurus ate? So it is just a guess, because Tyrannosaurus has got teeth which is very sharp, so we feel they eat flesh. That is other dinosaur. Okay, that is our answer must be. And going into the lesson, so here we have three kinds of dinosaurs, and this first one, which is got a red rope in its neck, is none other than Belinda. Okay, so it is none other than Belinda, who lived by a swamp 150 million years ago, as mentioned, and they were in the swamp, and they eat the marshland, the tender plants and all, and trees. And when there is some other occasion, just like their birthday or any festivals to celebrate, they go somewhere to the land. Otherwise, they will be near this water place, which is called as swamp. And this Belinda Brontosaurus, this is one of Belinda Brontosaurus with a red rope. And the next is Danny, the Diplodocus, who stood almost 90 feet high. This is only is our Danny Diplodocus. And finally, taller than this Danny is our Ben. He is Brachiosaurus. So he is the third animal which is more taller than all the three. So these three all together, they are living in the swamp in the wet area, and they were playing with each other. They were enjoying life over there near the swamp. It is in the swamp near the watery area. So there only they used to have their food there in area itself, and they used to play there only. But one day what happened, they were very bored with gliding in the water. Gliding means what? Moving smoothly without effort, just moving into the water. And whenever they feel or hungry, something like that, they used to come on the land, and they used to eat the tender plants, trees, all those things. After that, they'll be back to the water gliding. Okay, so finally, what happens one day, they are getting bored on gliding in the water. Okay, so the three are cousins, they say. These three cousins get onto the land, and they started moving inside to the land. And finally, what happens, they are planning to play, the first one is planning to play hide and seek. Who is Belinda? As this land, there are not such a tall objects which they can hide behind them, so they don't have such a big or such items to hide, so they left the idea of playing hide and seek. But the Belinda gave this idea, but Danny said this will not happen because they don't have such a big object to hide at the back. So what happened next? Actually, Danny wanted to play hide and seek, and then this will not happen. Then finally, Ben only suggested to play chase game. So they said okay. Okay, they said okay, and then they started playing. But Belinda warned, must not go into the forest or into the deeper interior. If you go interior, what is there? There is the this thing, Tyrannosaurus, or residing over there. They are it is their land, so they will just come and attack us. So be careful. She is warning. Who's warning? Belinda is warning. So after getting this sauropods. What is sauropods? Is the family of this creatures. These three creatures. They say it is a family. We say sauropods. Sauropods. Okay. So what happens? They are playing the chase game, and they are very interested, and they all got excited playing. While playing, no, without their knowledge, they went interior. And finally, when they went into the forest, deep interior, it was the sun started setting and it is slowly becoming dark, and finally what happens, these tyrannosaurus came there. They all surrounded them to attack these three, but the tyrannosaurus is got only this two limbs, and the back two hind limbs are very thick just like this animals, but the four limbs will be thin. Okay, so that they can just walk like kangaroo, like two with the two legs only they can walk. Four limbs. That is the first two. Hands will be like, it will be like hands, and they will be just using it for these things. So finally, what happens? So finally, what happens? So these Tyrannosaurus started chasing these three, but these three are too heavy. They can't run fast. Somehow they managed to run fast. They started running faster and faster, but this chasing of this Tyrannosaurus was more fast. See, can you see in this picture? Yes, these three are running, and this is chasing, and this Tyrannosaurus only is chasing, but whereas these three are running fast. Okay, then what happens? Running fast. Finally, they all went, but it was dark too. There were no electricity or no light, so they don't know how to reach the place where they are residing. That is the swamp. And finally, what happens? This swamp, no, this swamp. They got the smell of swamp. With that only, they can understand that they got into their own place where they are residing. So slowly they got into the swamp, and they started gliding inside the water, and somehow now they are saved. They are very happy. They all the three started laughing at each other that they are saved. And one more thing they are just noticing is this Tyrannosaurus could not come inside the swamp or get into the water, because it is not got that such a feature of its limbs, so that it can swim very easily into the water. So the feature of this forelimb and hind limbs is not made in such a way that it can swim very easily. So that this happens with the Tyrannosaurus, and he is now sad that he didn't get even one to eat. So he is going back with that heavy hearted, and just he leaves the place, and these three are very happy. And from that day they decided not to play the chase game hereafter. So they were very now what they did, they decided never they will play this chase game outside the swamp again. They are planning like that. So this is what is the lesson about. So these three are trying to play chase game, and finally they playing excited. They are running into the interior forest where this Tyrannosaurus lives, but the Tyrannosaurus, and also it is becoming dark, so that they cannot find the way back home. Somehow they are managing to run fast. Also they are not able to run fast because of these three are too heavy. Then they can only walk just like elephants with their limbs, four that legs limbs we can say limbs. They are walking just like elephants, so that they cannot walk too fast. But this Tyrannosaurus is running fast, chasing these three. Finally they reached the swamp, and they got into the water, gliding there inside. But this Tyrannosaurus stopped there because it is unable to swim in the water, and also it is scared of the swamp. It is unable to go into the water because its features are like that. It cannot swim very easily into the water because of its legs, four legs. The two legs are different, and the remaining two legs are different, just like here. Can you see these two legs are bit uh, thick, and these two are very thin. So this happens with this. So with this lesson gets over. The next lesson we shall see the video. Sorry, we shall see the book exercise mark. Thank you, children.